Hello, everyone, and welcome to this podcast series organized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in this GCC summit happening at Gandhinagar, Gift City, Gujarat. And I have with me the AI Committee Chairman, the Central Council member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, CA Umesh Sharma. Umesh ji, thank you for being with us. Yesterday you were at Kuwait, today you are at Gandhinagar. Sir, AI is all about speed. How can you match? I think your speed is more than AI. What is your thought about this GCC summit?
First of all, congratulations to Sanjeev Bhai for hosting this novel concept of GCC in ICI. And we are seeing first time in a year there are 3, 4 GCCs planned across India. So the current hot topic is GCC as well as AI. So we both hot people of ICI are sitting here, and AI is such a subject which is growing very fast. It's
So, but
came
my
to
question was, your speed is more than AI, I think.
no, no. Yeah, so I am just coming to that. AI came in November 22 for general public through OpenAI ChatGPT, and then it's growing very fast. And when our ICI thought that we should have a AI in ICI committee, then President Ranjit Agrawal sir formed this committee last year. And when we started, we were in very much a dilemma that how to start, what to do, what not to do, because it was a greenfield project. Then we came to notice that it's very fast field. We have to adopt. So we started learning AI. We done our own course. Then Chairman Daya sir was there. He is the founder chairman of this committee. Under his guidance, we started the things. And one thing I noticed that if you want to preach, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कोई चीज़ सिखानी है तो you must practice. So if I want to go into public and speak about AI or I want to teach AI, then I should adopt the skills that are required for that teaching. So speed, getting the things known as fast as possible, having good source of knowledge, because in AI you will find ethical as well as unethical information. So getting up in morning, having our gym exercise, keeping ourselves fit, having a control on diet, and taking
Right.
insights of AI on regular basis. You know, I am a GST person, so it's a transformation from GST to GPT.
And that's very interesting. A person who was a GST expert and had been, doing this entire GST practice for ages has transformed from a GST to an AI. So he can do it. Each and every person, each and every member can do it. The challenge which you had, and that's slowly and slowly I'm going to get into GCC, is when you go back into this tier two and tier three, and you see people working on Excel, and when you speak to them, well, do you know pivot table? Do you know Power Query? And do you know Power BI? So these are a one step more towards an Excel, and you will see a big nod to say no. How did you actually manage to create this FOMO or create this buzz of inculcating AI into the work which they are doing? And a question which might come, all right, I'll go and do this training, will that give me work? So I think this perception is what we are trying to build upon, and I'm going to get back to why I'm trying to create this perception. So how did you meet these challenges?
Yeah, Sanjeev bhai, it's a very good question. Challenges are there in life. For me, as you said, health was one of the challenge. So to maintain the health equilibrium, mental health and
And the
physical health,
mindset of members.
yes, that was one of the challenge. But I am a positive person. I always feel that whenever there is a challenge, there
Yes.
comes energy. That energy you have to give a right direction.
Right.
It will be in negative direction if you see that this is a challenge and my work is going out and I will be out from the profession.
Okay.
But if a challenge comes and we adopt in positive way, oh, this is not the risk, I will convert this into reward. 4 year back, there was a report in ICAI that due to AI, 10 professions, top 10 professions in world are at risk, and accounting and auditing profession was
Was at the
one of them.
bottom.
And we have small and medium scale practitioner across India. So we were in a dilemma how to empower them. And slowly, when we came to know that in AI, rather than taking away the work, it addresses the four challenges. First is time, second is quality, third is manpower, and fourth is revenue. So small and medium scale practitioner always have one of the challenge.
In fact, all the
And
challenges.
yes, many have all, few may have
Yes.
one.
Yes.
And a common answer to all of them is AI. And that was a eureka moment for our committee कि यार ये तो चीज ऐसी है कि इसका सोना बन सकता है.
Sona Gandhi.
And that way we drafted a level 1 course. Now we are on the 500 batch of level 1 course.
Wow.
Thanks to our faculties, thanks to our participants. Across India, we are having that level 1 course. Level 2 is also launched. The basic intention was level 1 is AI in my office. Level 2 batch is AI in my client location. So
Wow.
they should be able to generate revenue. So that is what the point कि AI से मेरा काम अच्छा हो रहा है, but अब काम आएगा क्या? So that is level 2. And level 3 is my own AI tool, means a techno scene. And we will having all ecosystem like AI hub, like GitHub, and we will promote the tools which are there, which are developed by our fellow chartered accountants.
So I think this is a very important message which just Umesh sir has just said that when we talk about AI, we always get into the question, will AI replace us or will it enable us? That is number one. But what he is talking about is when we are thinking, is AI going to give me business? Is it going to give me clients? Is it going to give me revenue? Now he's talking about something different, that AI is actually giving them revenue. Now that's the shift we are trying to talk about. And the question comes, well, I've never learned AI in my regular curriculum, in my CA course. And today, when I'm learning all the subjects, how is AI bringing in revenue to me is something which Institute is talking about. We have already discussed about this, but we were talking in the morning that GCC and AI has a wonderful combination. I think there is a good marriage between both.
Yeah.
So how do you feel that AI can really help grow the GCC ecosystem?
Sanjeev bhai, GCC is your passion subject. AI is our passion subject. Even you also have very good passion of AI, and I am very proud and privileged that ICI is having a person like him. Aura course has been launched by Board of Studies Operations. You are vice chair there, and the Aura is an artificial intelligence learning course for the students. In GCC, why another country, organization or people want to transfer or outsource the work to India? Why? That is the biggest question. And the question comes is Indian knowledge system, that we Indians are ethical, we are transparent, and we are having good English language command.
The cost arbitrage?
Yes, and cost arbitrage. So AI is what? AI, the fundamental is language, large language model. And when the computer systems started speaking in human language, because the fundamental of AI is LLM, and in LLM you put any language and it will respond into the same language. So in GCC, when I went to Kuwait, yesterday I was in Kuwait for the first batch of AI course. Arabic language was there. So local documents were there in Arabic. And now how to convert that in English? AI is there. It's a simple. Or I speak in English, but it gets converted into Arabic.
Wow.
So by that way, in GCC, the language barrier is gone due to AI. You have work from Japan, you have work from Nairobi, you have work from
The whole world is
US or from Russia, you need not worry about the language because AI is there. It will help for speech, for video, for audio, for images, for writing. So one of the basic fundamental collaboration of AI and GCC
Wow.
is language.
So I think when we talk about cost savings, we talk about locational advantage, English speaking, language, which AI is helping, in the growth of GCC. I think one most important aspect which the AI committee has worked very well is the talent arbitrage. I think the domain knowledge was there, but then restructuring that, reimagining that, and actually bringing that efficiency with the with the combination of knowledge, the domain knowledge, and with the combination of this, I think that is going to give a great growth story to the Indian chartered accountants and the professionals. And I really want to thank and congratulate Umesh Sharma for leading from the front in making sure that each and every chartered accountant in this country and across the world be AI ready. So when we talk about being digitally ready, we talk about being globally ready, we talk about being industry ready. How can we work in this GCC ecosystem? When we work with the ministries, when we work with the various stakeholders, how can we work together with the ministries and within ourselves as well in making our members digitally, globally, and industry ready?
This is a very good summing up question, I think so, because in GCC you require a different skill sets
Right.
apart from your orthodox practice, and through AI committee also we are bringing some innovative skill sets. We have brought ethics in AI book, then privacy in AI
Right,
book.
right.
Now third book is AI's impact on Indian economy. We have hackathons, we have AI summits like GCC summits, and the most important point that you told or you asked for, that is how digitally enabled a CA should be there in GCC. Friends, it is very important point that when you want to enter into the arena of GCC, you must be knowing each and every aspect of technology. That may be AI, that may be infrastructure, that may be cyber security, and under his leadership, Sanjeev bhai, we are learning the complete ecosystem from all angles. Like today you have shown the glimpses of GIFT City, IFSC, and also you have taken AI and technological initiative. So friends, whatever may be your area of practice or job, a person having AI knowledge will replace a person not having AI knowledge.
Wow.
And for a chartered accountant institute like us, it was the first and foremost vision statement, problem statement, or a goal that a student after 2047 will be AI enabled. So they will be the good resource for GCC.
Correct, correct.
But what about the 5 lakh chartered accountants who are existingly practicing or in job in are there members of ICI?
Correct.
To empower themselves in this digital world with
We need to
AI.
work together.
So we started these level 1, level 2 courses and we are training them. So for GCC, the required knowledge resources, we are trying level best
Have the
to
pool of
empower
people,
them,
yes.
to have
I
the
think
pool of
I think I think a very good message that we've already trained 35,000 chartered accountants on AI, and I think they will come back into the system,
Correct.
into the GCC ecosystem, and they will go back to the world and say we are not just a domain expert, we are also talent expert, skill expert, AI expert. And I think that team, that skill, that manpower is the whole world is looking upon, is now ready with a great workforce and a great contribution done by AI committee on this. So thank you so much, Umesh sir,
Thank
for
you.
being with
Thank
us.
you,
We
Sanjeev
look
bhai.
forward for more insightful discussion with you. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. Thank